Alright, so in this video, I'll be showing you how to use this app called SynEdge. You can use this app to change your volume styles. So here are some of the samples. So just check the description. You'll find a link that will take you to the Play Store. When you get here, just install the app. Alright, so after you're done installing the app, tap open and you'll get the welcome screen. So just tap get started, tap open settings, tap I understand, look for the app. So it's this one, SynEdge. Tap it, enable it, and tap allow. Go back, tap next, tap open settings, then do the same thing. So look for the app. This is it. Tap it and then enable this. Then go back. Then tap next. Tap open settings and then allow notifications. Go back. Tap next again. Tap open settings and then tap allow. Then tap finish. So yep, we are done with the initial setup. Now we're going to customize what the volume buttons will look like the volume slider. So first of all, if I tap on the volume button, you can see what it looks like. I don't like it on the left, I want it on the right. So I'll tap here and then switch it to right. So it is now on the right. You can change the size. If it's too big, you can bring it down, or you can increase it if it's too small for you. And you can change the position by sliding this. So I think this is okay. I'll tap apply. Okay, I had to switch to light mode. To switch to light mode, just tap settings, tap appearance, and then select light. Okay, so there are different options you get here, but for now, let's tap skins. And these are all the different skins you get. So this is the one that's currently working. If I select this one, this is what the volume slider looks like now. You can adjust by swiping this way. There are so many options you can choose from, but me, I like this one, the dot matrix. So I'll tap it and let's see what it looks like. So this is what the volume slider looks like. And like I said, you can try any of the free ones because there are some pro options that you have to pay for to use. But there's a lot of free options as well. So just choose the one you want and work with it. So there's other settings here to change what it looks like. So if I tap this one, you can see that it is going to be a dark one. If I tap this, it's going to be red. There's other colors over here that you can choose from. The ones that are grayed out are paid ones, so you can't use them. So I prefer this one, the one with the white dots. And you can increase the opacity of the background for this one, so it looks very dark. Let's bring it down a bit. Around 80% is fine. You can't do animations because it's a pro feature. So yeah, that's basically how you customize any of the options you choose here. Let's try another one. Let's try this one. So you can see the different colors now that you can choose from. And yeah, that's how you control the volume for this option. But I'll choose this one. This is the one I like. I can star it if I want so that it will be at the top. So if you find anyone you like, you use it and you want to always have quick access to it, you can just star it by tapping on the star in the bottom right corner and it will be taken to the top. You can tap the star again to take it down if you don't if you don't like it anymore. All right, so back to the volume page. There's this animations option. If I tap on it, you can see there's just 3 animations. So we are currently using the pop animation, but let's try the fade one and then tap apply. So if we press the volume button now, let's increase the animation duration. So you can see how the slider disappears, it fades out. So it doesn't just pop out anymore. It does a slight fade. So if it's too slow for you, you can bring it down, tap apply. Let's see what it looks like now. So it is a bit faster. And if the slider stays too long on the screen, you can tap here and then bring it down to a second. Yeah, so let's say 2 seconds. 2 seconds is okay. Okay, let's bring it back to 1 second. I feel like it's better. Okay, 1 second is better for me. Next, if you scroll down a bit, you'll have the volume guard option. So what this does is it limits your volume so that you don't go beyond it. So if you enable it and you tap the arrow to reveal the settings, you can see that my speaker is currently set to 90%. So I can't go over 90% if I'm using my phone's speaker to maybe play music or so. There's the option for headphones. If I have wired headphones, I will not be able to go more than 75%. And right now I'm currently using my Bluetooth earphones, so I can't go above 75%. So I'm pressing it, but you can see it's stuck at 75. So I can bring it up to 100 if I want to reach the whole 100. But this is just maybe to keep your ears safe from blowing up. So if you want, you can apply this option. But for me, I like it being flexible, so I'm not going to apply this one. And then there's volume boost. If you want to improve the volume if it's not loud enough for you, you can use this option, but it doesn't work for all devices. I haven't even tried it on this device. And that's basically all you need to know about how to use the app. There's some other options, but I don't think they are necessary in this video. But yeah, that's how you use SynEdge. Hopefully you found the video helpful. Please give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Ask me any questions you may have, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Take care and bye-bye.